I spoke... Oh, balls. Hiya Peeps, Jellybaby here, and today we're going to do a get ready with me. I'm just going to put my hair back because you don't want your hair all in your makeup, do we? Let's start off with my Clinique moisturiser, just because I just washed my face and I always like to moisturise after I just wash my face. The reason I'm getting ready today is because I am going to church. I'm not going to like a service or anything, I'm going to this thing that I do. I've mentioned it before, I think. It's called Girls Brigade. I go every Tuesday. To be fair, I could probably make a whole video about what Girls Brigade is all about, so I might do that. So stick around for that if you're interested. Next, I'm using my photo finish by Smashbox for a bit of a change. Do you have any religious beliefs? Always intrigued to learn what people's beliefs are. I'm one of those people that likes deep conversations. You know, that stereotypical post of, don't talk to me about how your day was, let's talk about aliens. I'm just now going to go in my Lasting Perfection concealer. I swear, every time I sit down to film now, Rob decides to run around the bedroom like crazy. As always, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend it in. Recently, I've been watching RuPaul's Drag Race. I did watch it before. I watched, what season was it? I want to say 6 with Sasha Velour. Love Sasha Velour. I started rewatching it again, and I think I'm currently on the one with Laganja Strange, when they split it up in 2 and had 2 openings. I'm watching that season. I've kind of watched them like not in order, just because. Why would you watch something in order? I started watching it because I watched Jeffree Star's makeup tutorial with. She's the one that's like back rolls. She talks about back rolls. I can't think what her name is. Comment down below if you can remember her name. It's really interesting to watch. I started watching Project Runway as well, mainly because Pixie mentioned it in one of her streams, and I was like, I'm super into sewing. I did sewing in college, if you didn't know, and a bit in uni, but I don't really think that counts. We're not going to talk about uni yet. Interesting to watch a program about fashion, because I love fashion so much. I'm going to take my Rainforest Sea as always in porcelain. It's really fun to watch other people do fashion-y stuff. That's how I love watching, oh my god, I can't, with names today, just names aren't going in today. I know her name's Little Pine Needles on Instagram, but I cannot think what her YouTube name is. But she does brilliant series on making, like, you know, you find those really novelty fashion pieces. She does like how to make your own version basically, and she's really, really good. Every time I watch her videos, I'm like, I need to get back into making stuff because I miss it so much. It's costume pieces and stuff, but I just haven't got the resources or the patience. Like last year, this club that me and Rosie, we went to the club last year, and they had like a unicorns night. So I made us unicorn horns for the night, and I love making them. They're on my art Instagram if you want to go see what they look like. I was quite proud. I've always wanted to, well, I say always, I didn't always. I wanted to be an actress originally, but you know, then my drama teacher, I did love my drama teacher, but she scared me into not doing it because she was like, it's gonna be loads of work. I'll be a stylist because I love putting clothes together. By the way, I was just using the Stay Matte powder as always and a fluffy brush. On to wanting to do styling, and then I went to college to do fashion because the local college only did fashion design, and I was like, well, I'm sure I can still use that to be a stylist. Because you did learn like fashion techniques and the body and how shapes work and all that jazz. So, you know, then I thought then I can take that qualification, go into uni. I'm then going to go in my Fix and Focus eyeshadow primer. Honestly, have forgotten my train of thought. Nope, it's gone. Eventually it'll be nice just to make some YouTube videos about making clothes, because it'll just be fun, I think. My Soaps palette and the Pancake shade to set my eyeshadow primer. I'm then going to take my Technique Electric Beauty eyeshadow palette, this pink shade here. I'm just putting like a light yellow in the centre, but I think I'm going to go in with like a different yellow because this one's not showing up very well. Like, it's showing up, but it looks really white rather than yellow. I'm just going to take this palette. I wouldn't recommend it, but this is just a palette off eBay. but it hasn't killed me so far, but I'm not going to recommend you buy it. But I'm just going to take this yellow shade and put that in the corner. So it would be fun to do some fashiony bits, like making my own clothes again. Gotta let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that, because it's something I definitely want to do. I think the only thing is, I just wouldn't know how to film it. Let me know anyway, because if I know you want to see it, then I'll definitely do it. I would love to make a Zelda costume at some point, because I absolutely love the costume designer Zelda 90% of the time. On the second layer, I'm just going to take, what pink? This pink. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. Really, if there's anything you'd like me to do, make sure you let me know. By the way, yes, I do wear crazy stuff to church. I spoke... Oh, balls. Hold on, I gotta fix this. I don't know, I feel like people have a very skeptical opinion on church, which, like, you know, considering what the Bible says in it, like, I'm not too shocked. I don't really believe in the Bible, personally. At the end of the day, it's just a bunch of stories by a random bunch of guys, so I don't know why we should listen to them. Personally, don't shoot me if you're Christian. Don't shoot me if you're not. Things that I do believe in, obviously, like, don't harm anyone and, like, don't cheat. But, like, there's stuff like, don't mark your body with tattoos, and I'm like, I'm just going to take a little bit of pancake and just put a little tiny bit around the edges. Just gonna go in my white eyeliner next. So when I did my everyday look, I messed up because I put mascara on and then I tried to put white eyeliner on. Don't do that, okay? Don't listen to what I said in that video. Always do the white eyeliner beforehand. I usually do. I don't know what came over me. I think I forgot, and then I went back and I was like, oh. The other thing that happened recently, right? Now, people in Canada probably laugh at us UK peeps because we get one bit of snow and the whole country loses it. And everyone was panic buying, and I mean, like, my mum had to go to like 4 different shops to find milk, for God's sake. We had snow for one day, and then it melted, and that's it. That's all the snow we've had. We just have rain now. It's quite entertaining though, snow, because like everyone gets excited. I don't mind snow. Like, I'm not a huge fan of being in it per se. I enjoy how it looks. I'm just gonna go in my last sensational. Just look how good my eyelashes look with this stuff. Oh, if I highlight, I'm just gonna take Moonchild, as always, because I keep using this. I don't know why. I think I'm gonna use Pink Heart. No question about it. Just something about a coloured highlighter. Like, I know everyone's kind of over it because everyone keeps going, we're over this, just give us something new, but I will never be over it. The same as the unicorn trend. Everyone keeps complaining about the unicorn trend, and I'm like, if it stops, I will come for blood. A bit more light, that's nice. 10 seconds before I was about to film this, I broke a nail. Like this middle one. I don't want to swear at you, so I'm going to keep them like this. But look how much shorter it is. And don't you just hate when that happens? I'm like trying to grow them out because I worked in a factory, so I kept them short because they would just snap anyway. So I was like, there's no point trying to keep them long. But then stopped working there, so I was like, I'm going to grow my nails long. Mainly out of curiosity to see how long I can get them. But then they broke. They broke while I was trying to wash my face. Like, only I could break a nail whilst trying to wash my face. For lipstick, I'm going to take Lime Crime, and it's the shade Happy. Just, there's something about smelling lipsticks that just... I don't know how to put it without it sounding creepy, so... It's just a good thing. Is it too much pink? Who knows? What else do I want to do? Okay, I'll do gems. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to do gems and glitter because I'm extra. I'm going to take these ones. By the way, I always just get my gems from, like, craft stores. Usually just peel them off the glue because the glue is terrible. Like that. And then use that eyelash glue. Because, you know. So I'll do them, like, in the middle or to the side. Middle, side, middle, side. I'll do it to the side because I think I did middle last time. Just got the eyelash glue. I don't know. Every time I turn around, it like goes cool toned for some unknown reason. I think it's my face that's bringing it warm. Look, see? I did it again. What I'm going to do is just take some white glitter once again as always, every time I use this glitter, I always mention this, but I have no idea if this is safe. Like, I don't know if this is cosmic glitter. It said it was cosmic glitter, but I don't trust it because it was eBay. So use it on risk. I'm gonna put it on a flat brush. Just pat it on. Right, I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be right back. For some reason I can't get a side fringe with curly hair to work. What is life? Yeah, look at this little... But yeah, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, comment down below if you would like to see more Chit Chat Gets Ready with me, and hit that subscribe button. Bye!